check this out. I have this awesome set of trim removal tools, and we are going to test it here in Golf MK7, trying to remove few trim parts over here. So we have prying tools over here, we have this handy tool which will help us with the most hard to remove things. We have keys to remove CD changers and radio units. Those one are for Ford, I believe, and this is for Volkswagen. We have some hooks, and that's pretty much it. There's more tools than I could think of, but let's try a few of them and let's see how easy it is to use it in this car. Before I got this set, I was using something like this, and before that I was using flat screwdrivers. By the way, don't ever try to use flat screwdrivers to remove your trims, because you will most likely leave marks, if not damage something, so it will be very expensive. Okay, so let's pick a few things. I believe I will use a hook. I definitely want to check this, and the radio removal tools. Oh, different sizes, so let's take two long ones, this, and let's check this. The long ones will work. Oh yes. Now just pull, and the navigation head unit is free to be removed. If you ever tried to remove this front cubby, it's a pain in the ass. You would have to remove the climatronic trim, remove two screws, remove both side panels, and only then you have access to pry it from underneath. But with this hook, I should be able to do it within 20 seconds and using just one hand. So let's try it. This hook, or maybe a longer one. Let's try. Oh, this one is a little bit longer. Let's try to do it. One side and the other one. I have my gearbox in park, not in neutral or drive, so I cannot remove it because it's blocked. You can see that the front cubby is free and it's released from those clips. Now let's try this. You can see that it's really soft and it bends, and that's a good thing, because you want this to break instead of your panels. This can be really expensive, but that's okay. Oh, 1, 2, and maybe the other side, yeah, because it's shaped like this. And 3, and I have it released. That was easy. This one will be great in the trunk, where you have to pull really strong and you don't have much grip on the panel. So let's use it in the trunk. One side and the other one, and the trim is removed. And my favorite one, we will try to undo this clip that's underneath. It's the hardest one when you are starting to remove this piece, but I believe that even with one hand I will be able to do it. So let's place it like this. As easy as that. And now I can work my way through the whole piece. And let's try to install it back. Okay, the seal is in my way. Okay, so we've tested those 5, but there are many more in the set. We have something like this, which will be great to use to disconnect from wiring connectors, where you have some kind of lock that you need to press to remove from the wiring loom. We have this very long tool, which will be great for door seals, we have Ford radial locks, we have many other prying tools that will be great for those different positions, the difficult positions of the clips. Every job is easy if you have the right tools, and I believe that this will save you a lot of time and a lot of money if you're using flat screwdrivers to remove your trim. So check this out at Tomtop website. There's a link in the description below this video. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple review and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.